In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Midjourney Describe is. I'm going to tell you why it's useful and how to use it. So first of all, the way you use it is you go into the Midjourney bot, or you can do it on their server, and type /describe. Now, when you click enter, it's going to give you this text, this image box prompt. So click on this, and from this, what you can do is you can click and drag in any kind of image. Now beware, if you do an image that is NSFW or explicit, it will not do it. Now, I want to get this monster, let's say. So I put the image in, and I'm going to click enter. Now, it's thinking. I have to wait. It will do it really quickly. It won't take too long. See, there we go. So it's going to give us 4 different options here for what this monster looks like. 1, a cute monster with lots of teeth in front. 2, an animated blue monster with open mouth. 3, an animated cartoon monster. Now you can see here it's giving me some styles. And it's also given me some other details about it. So the realism, the colours, just a few different keywords. Now, the one that's most accurate, you can then click on. So let's say 3 is most accurate. I don't know if it is. We can click submit. And what that's going to do is that's now going to use this to imagine an image just like this. Now, this is really useful if you want to take one image, for example, a monster, and recreate the monster in a different style or pose. Now, if that's what you want to do with it, I have a tutorial on the channel on how to do that. But let's wait for this and see how well it does it. We can see it's coming through. This is looking like Mike Wazowski on the bottom right. Top right's looking like Sully. So you can see it's generating these monsters in a very, very similar style. They're not going to be identical to this. They're not going to be the same, but they're going to be similar styles and similar colors, all that kind of stuff. And as you can see, they're pretty good. Now, yeah, they're pretty good. Pretty cool. And very similar styles. You wouldn't be able to tell the difference, really. Now, you can click and drag here across this and highlight this prompt, copy it. And you can do /imagine. Oh, that's blend. You can do /imagine and you can paste the prompt in there and you can change anything you want about it. Now, finally, with this, let's say you like this first one. You can press U1, that's going to upscale it. Or you can redo it here. Or lastly, you can create variations of each of these different ones. If you found this video useful and you liked it, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.